Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want night mode now, so start by opening the camera app from the home or lock screen. Make sure your iPhone 13 has enough battery and the rear lens is clean because clarity matters in low light. Once done, check the flash icon and keep it off. Night mode competes with flash and delivers longer exposures for better detail. You're starting the capture process immediately so you can see night mode appear when the scene is dimmer. This is the first actionable step. Now find the yellow moon icon in the camera interface. It appears automatically when light is low. Tap that icon to reveal the exposure time controls. iPhone sets a default, but you can slide to lengthen exposure from short fractions up to several seconds depending on scene and movement. Make adjustments because longer exposure captures more light and detail, but it also magnifies motion blur. So steady your phone or use a tripod. Finish by pressing the shutter and holding your iPhone steady until the progress indicator completes, or set a 3/10 timer to minimize shake. After the shot, review details and make sure live photo is off if you want the full night mode effect without extra frames. If the image is blurry, reduce exposure time, stabilize the phone, or clean the lens and try again. These fixes address the most common issues. This completes the capture and gives one troubleshooting tip to resolve blur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.